Hello, my dear students. So, welcome to physics classes by Sarabdeep Kaur Sidhu. So, today's our topic is difference between a progressive wave and stationary wave. So, first of all, how we can define a progressive wave and how we can define a stationary wave. So, progressive wave, a wave in which the crust and troughs travel forward, clear, or in a longitudinal rare fractions and compressions. So that's why we can say that the disturbance that travels forward, so that is a progressive wave, clear ji? Like this, ठीक. And in a stationary wave the disturbance does not travel forward. The disturbance does not travel forward. The stationary wave is we know that is like this. One is incident wave and other is a reflected wave between two fixed points, ठीक है जी. So the progressive wave, it is formed due to periodic disturbance by the source. Periodic disturbance by the source means disturbance in an open medium, because wave is in a progress, so the medium is extended medium, it can be extended so long. So we can say that it is formed in a open medium or extended medium. And stationary wave, that we know that it is formed in confined medium between two fixed points. These are two fixed points, okay, two specific boundaries you can say. And it is formed, how it is formed? It is formed due to superposition of two progressive waves. One progressive wave is this one and second is this one, ठीक है जी. Two progressive waves, and these two progressive waves have same amplitude but in opposite direction. One is from left to right and other is from right to left, or you can say one is incident and other is reflected, but having same amplitude. So in this wave stationary wave is formed, ठीक है जी. So this is the difference between progressive wave and stationary wave with definition, clear. Now third, difference, energy is transferred along the wave, because it is formed in extended medium, so energy is transferred along the wave. And in this, because it is confined to two boundaries, so no transfer of energy along a wave. From the name clear, stationary, or it is also called standing wave, means जो wave रुकी हुई है, stationary, ठीक है. And that is that's why no transfer of energy along a wave, clear ji. Then fourth point, that is also a very important point, and please pay attention. All particles of the medium, vibrate, and all particles, they vibrate, and the amplitude of vibration of every particle is the same. So the particles, which are all particles are vibrating, and amplitude of vibration of every particle is the same, clear. For example, in this is a progressive wave. From this point, this is one, ठीक है. Another, after some time, this one, after this one, we have three progressive waves. But amplitude, suppose this is one particle, this is another particle, this is another particle. So this particle, the amplitude at this point, this particle having this amplitude, and this particle having at this point having this amplitude, and this particle having this amplitude, means the amplitude of all the particles is the same means not at you can say same time, means after some instant, all particles attains same displacement. For example, this particle having this displacement, but this particle having this displacement, same displacement as the previous this particle, but after some time, clear. So all the particles attains the same displacement after some instant, ठीक है जी, clear. So that's why we can say amplitude of all the every particle is the same. But in these all particles except nodes, we know that in a stationary wave the nodes are the point where amplitude is zero, and antinodes are the points where amplitude is maximum. So in these all particles of the medium vibrates, but the amplitude of vibration of different particle is different, means zero at nodes and maximum at antinodes. For example, this is the point, so this is node, clear. This is stationary wave, this is a node. This is antinode, node, antinode, node. So at node displacement is 0, at antinode displacement amplitude is maximum. ठीक है जी. So in this way we can say that in this amplitude of every particle is same, not is here. ठीक है जी. Then all particles does not cross their mean position simultaneously. All particles does not cross their mean position simultaneously. I will explain this. In this, all particles pass through their mean position simultaneously twice in each period. Twice in each period means in a progressive wave. See, in a progressive wave, all particles do not cross the mean position simultaneously. For example, this particle having its mean position, suppose this is the particle and this is another particle, so many particles, so all the particles, and they do not cross mean position, they will cross the mean position, because we know the particles are moving like this in a transverse motion. Particle here, then go to a first extreme, then goes to second extreme, then comes to mean. But all the particles, they are not simultaneously cross the mean position, but in this, all the particles cross the mean position simultaneously twice in each period. For example, this is this particle, clear, this is crosses the mean position, and this particle also crosses the mean position simultaneously, like this. So suppose one particle is at this, if I am taking the another this particle, suppose this particle is this crosses the mean position this way, and second particle, amplitude of vibration is less of this particle, but both are crossing the mean position simultaneously, like this. If this particle, another this, okay, another this, so they crosses the mean position simultaneously, okay. And this is the formation of stationary wave. There are incident progressive wave, this is reflected progressive wave, and how there are 5 particles, 1 2 3 4 5 particle, and resultant stationary waves are formed at different time. Okay, this is the total figure showing the total time interval. So this is when t equal to 0, this is when t equal to t by 4, then t by 2, then 3t by 4, then t is equal to capital T. So in this figure you can watch this, that this shows a incident wave and reflected wave, and they are shown to act on 5 particles, 1 2 3 4 5 particles they act over here, clear. And the distance between the first and fifth particle is equal to lambda. So distance between first particle and fifth particle is equal to lambda. So each particle is separated by a distance of lambda by 4. So the distance between one particle and second particle is lambda by 4. So total between particle 1 and particle 5th is lambda. ठीक है जी. So the wave travels a distance lambda in one time period. So in one time period a wave travels a distance of lambda, clear, in one time period. This is at t equal to 0, then t equal to 4 over a one time period. ठीक है जी, clear जी. So the figure shows the state of affairs at t equal to 0 different times. ठीक है जी. So it is assumed that at t equal to 0 the crust of incident wave is superimposed on the crust of the reflected wave. ठीक है जी, crust of the incident wave, crust of the reflected wave. The troughs of two waves are also superimposed. The troughs of two waves are also superimposed. ठीक है जी. So resultant stationary wave is shown by this line. ठीक है जी. Then suppose at time t equal to t by 4, capital T by 4, you can say capital T, you will write here, not t small t, here will be capital T by 4. ठीक है जी. Here will be capital T by 2. ठीक. So at capital T by 4, this is the what is the incident wave has traveled forward by a distance lambda 4, and reflected wave has also traveled in the opposite direction by a distance of lambda by 4. ठीक है. So this figure shows the location of two waves. ठीक है. And we can see from this that displacement of all the particle is 0, particle 1 2 3 4 5. ठीक है, you can the part in this case the displacement of the all, in case the particles 1 3 5th, the displacement due to individual proxy waves are equal and opposite and net displacement is 0. ठीक है जी, particle 1 beta, particle 3, particle 5th, they having in this figure they having the maximum, and then 2 and 4 here is the node points. ठीक है, in this way t by 2, in this way 3t by 4, different positions at t, then this is at small t equal to when capital T over a total time. ठीक है, clear? So in this last figure you can see that the total proper stationary wave is formed, one complete incident and one complete reflected wave. So displacement of all the particle is again 0 here. So we can, displacement means net, there is an amplitude, but one wave is in like this, in this also displacement means both having, one is upward distance and second is downward, so total net displacement is 0. We can say this in this way also. Okay, in this figure also. So this whole figure shows the limits of vibration of the 5 particles. Okay, so from this we can say that the particle 1 3 and 5 they doesn't move. 1 3 and 5 they doesn't move, they are rest. So here displacement that is, their displacement is always 0, and we can say that these particles here, there are nodes where displacement is here they are rest, at rest, n. ठीक है, they are at rest, and corresponding location of particles 2 4. ठीक है, here anti nodes are formed, here anti nodes are formed. ठीक है जी. So same way you can explain the different location of the particles at different time periods. For example, when t equal to time is t by 2, ठीक है जी, the location of crust and troughs are as shown in the figure. ठीक है, so each wave has traveled further by lambda by 2 here, lambda by 2. Again the crust has superimposed the crust, and trough has superimposed the trough. ठीक है, so in this way crust trough. ठीक है जी. So in this way you can say particle 1, particle 3, particle 5, and displacement is 0, and the particle 2, the displacement of particle 2 is minus 2a here. ठीक है जी, minus 2a, because the incident wave having a, another wave having opposite direction, reflected wave, they having are also having amplitude a. So here two particle, it having the displacement minus 2a, and 4 it is upward, so it having displacement plus 2a. ठीक है जी, clear to all. So at t by 4 the incident wave has travelled forward by a distance of lambda by 4, I have already explained, and reflected wave has also travelled in opposite direction by a distance of lambda by 4. ठीक है, clear जी. And particle 1 3 5, the displacement due to individual progressive waves are equal and opposite, and net displacement is 0. ठीक. So this is about the how stationary waves are formed. ठीक. Then we are discussing this point. So all particles do not cross their mean position simultaneously, but here all particle passes through their mean position simultaneously twice in each period. ठीक है जी. Like this, here is the one chart showing the waves. This is the instantaneous displacement of the particles due to progressive sine waves. This is due to stationary waves. So see beta, at when time t equal to 0, in a you can say stationary waves, the particle 2 particle 4 they having equal and opposite displacement. ठीक है जी. And at t by 4, at capital T by 4, the all the particles having same resultant displacement. And also at this 3t by 4, this is 3t by 4, all having displacement 000. That's why we can say that all the particles pass through their mean position simultaneously twice in each period. Okay? So this is about and about the mean positions. Then is 6 point, no particle of the medium are permanently at rest. Okay, we know that, we have explained here nodes are permanently at rest. Okay, then phase of the particle continuously varies from point to point. देखो बेटा, I have draw this wave here, that this is a wave. Okay, so particle this, suppose particle is at this point, the phase of this particle is different, this particle is having phase different, this having different. Amplitudes are also different at different instants, but here phases are different. Okay, so phases of the particles continuously varies from point to point. Okay, and all the particles between two consecutive nodes vibrate in the same phase, but the particles on either side of the, please pay attention, but the particles on the either side of the same node vibrate in opposite direction, like this is the stationary wave. So I'm saying that all the particles between two consecutive nodes vibrate in the same phase. So between two consecutive nodes, so one node is this, another node is this, so between two nodes the particles, any particles, they are moving in same phase, vibrating in same phase. But particles on the either side of the same node, suppose we are taking this node, and the particle on the left side of this node and on the right hand side of this node, they are vibrating in opposite phase. Okay, one is in this direction, other is in this direction. Okay, so this is about the phase. Then is about the longitudinal waves, the compression and rare fractions of longitudinal progressive wave, and crust and troughs of TPW mean transverse progressive waves advance with the definite velocity. Okay ji, advanced with the definite velocity, because in these waves, the progressive waves are the waves which are always in progressive and disturbance moves forward. Okay, and in this in the stationary waves, this occurs alternatively at different positions and do not advance. Okay, with the definite velocity advance करते हैं here with definite positions and do not advance. Okay जी. Then LPW mean longitudinal progressive wave. All the particles of the medium suffer in succession the same variation in pressure and density. So we know that there is a variation in longitudinal wave pressure and density. So same variation in pressure and density. The variation in pressure and density is maximum at the nodes and minimum at the antinodes. Okay, then we know about this, y is equal to a e raised to iota omega t minus kx. This is the wave equation for we have derived this equation. This is the wave equation for a transverse progressive wave, and this is for a stationary wave. Sometimes here will be plus sign also, that depend upon ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਦਾਂ ਦੀ y1 y2 ਲੈ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ. ठीक है, so this is all about the difference. So thank you very much.